Hey guys, it's been a while. I have a Chris Vi. We're bowling a doubles tournament today. Are we gonna win?
Yeah, I think so.
Hopefully. Should be fun. Alright, we made it. Good old Brentwood Bowl. Or no, is it Harvest Park Bowl in Brentwood? Close enough. Today we're bowling a doubles tournament. Like I said earlier, it's 7 games total. A lot of good teams, not a lot of teams. So probably a good amount of action, but it's gonna be a tough one. I'm excited.
The Shark.
Hi guys.
You guys didn't see this coming, huh?
Nah.
Right there in California for a bowling tournament.
Long way to fly.
Yeah.
Only because you asked me though.
Yeah, all right. Like team players.
Yeah.
Tomorrow should be fun.
Yeah, looking forward to it.
Hopefully today's fun.
We'll see. I haven't bowled since Dubai, so
Perfect.
yeah, real sharp.
You're flexing those stories. Those are pretty funny stories.
It's a lot of interesting stuff. Not gonna share though.
Yeah, but probably best not to.
It's friend to friend sharing.
Nice. It's good to see you here.
Yeah, it's good to be here.
It's the guy. It's the goat. The man.
Optic.
Optic. Yeah, where's our Optic sponsor for tomorrow?
I know. It's kind of cool, actually.
That's probably gonna be the team name because I couldn't think of anything else. Yeah.
Hey.
Part of the squad this weekend.
Sir.
I'm sure some of you know me, maybe not, but if you really want to know my name is Ashton Woods. I'm like the greatest youth bowler out of California, you know? Anyways, I'm filming for Darren today because I can, and he asked me to do something, so I said why not. So, have fun. Let's watch Darren make this 10-pin, shall we? When he gets up there, of course. So, some of y'all don't know, I'm amazing. Oh, he's up to bowl. I was gonna talk about me again, but no. Alright, here goes Darren for his 10-pin. I don't know how this is gonna be, but we'll see.
He got it.
He jumped. That's some professional bowling right there. You know? Y'all see how good that is? That is.
You're so zoomed in.
Yeah, I know.
attention.
No, he's all
paying
like this.
attention.
He's like,
So this is Maverick. Are you a two-hander?
yes.
Yeah. He bowls really good in 9-pin no tap.
Shut the hell up.
You can't say that in the video. There's kids watching.
We're on YouTube. We're gonna get demonetized.
So, and then apparently Chris Prather asked him for a picture. So Chris, if you're seeing this, when you see this, you asked him for a picture, not him.
Okay, I'll say this. We both asked each other pretty much at the same time. I said,
It's like
I was talking to him.
Stop talking so loud. It's like,
just take this.
it's like a lover's connection.
Yep.
So if y'all didn't know, Darren is throwing the altered reality. Is that what it called?
Yeah,
is that what it's
altered
called?
reality.
I don't know. I'm not updated.
Watch his videos then.
Oh, here we go. He's gonna throw a shot. Slow zoom. He left a 10-pin, but that's okay. He's still your guys' favorite bowler. About the guy in the white t-shirt, or not white t-shirt, white polo that he just pulled. That he just pulled, and his name's Curtis Woods, that is my father. He met Darren and Michael at a pro-am, and they were, I don't even know how old they were, but that's how I know Darren and Michael. I've known them for a very long time. Grew up in the Bay Area, and yeah, so that's how he knows them. Take a picture with him.
Yep.
During 7 games of qualifying.
Well, he said earlier, do it when we're done. So.
All right.
All right.
So a little update. This is the 4th game. After the 3rd game, they are plus 137, Chris and Darren. I'm not sure how Jake and Chris Prather are doing, but I think they're doing pretty good by the looks of it. I could be wrong. I don't know, but we'll see. And yeah. It's 8 games.
Well, it was not the best. We got a 322 over for 7 games. I had 250, Chris had 70. Struggled a little bit, just had a hard time deciding which way we wanted to go. Yeah, it is what it is, just the warm-up day for tomorrow. We should finish 5th, I think. They cashed 6. It was really tight from 2nd to 5th, I think. And the 7th was not even close. 1st ran away. It was Jake and Prather, so that's a good sign for us. Prather's on our team tomorrow. But good warm-up. We might make a little bit of money, I hope. We'll see how the side stuff turns out. It wasn't great. My bracket games were not very good this week. And then Chris just struggled a little bit, but you know, it'll be all right. Good warm-up. Hopefully make a little bit. All right, we actually finished 4th, and we made some good money in side action. So Chris and I are walking out of here a little bit richer. We're gonna go to dinner in Dublin. It's gonna be a fun time. We bowl team event tomorrow, so make sure you guys smash this like button, subscribe, do all that stuff, because it's been a ride so far.
I'm carrying the balls, because that's all I think I'm getting.
We're gonna crush them tomorrow. All right, we'll see you tomorrow.